Assalamualaikum everyone, good morning. My name is Nabila Arum Sutriani. In this occasion, I will present the result about fiscal decentralization and regional autonomy in West Java 2015 to 2019. Next, did you know that decentralization in Indonesia began to implement after the referendum to accelerate equality development, improve the quality of public service, and reduce corruption? However, after nearly 2 decades of regional autonomy, many regions still depend heavily. Reforms is important to make sure regional fiscal performs in order to increase independence. Based on this issue are two important questions. First, how was the degree of fiscal decentralization progressed? And two, what was the condition of the regional independence ratio of regions or cities in West Java from 2015 to 2019? As we know, fiscal decentralization gives regions the authority to manage their government and finance their government needs. Two main indicators are used to assess a degree of decentralization and independence ratio. The higher PAD and the lower the dependence on the central government, more independent the region is. We can see in the analysis data that are two districts that fall into the very poor category, namely is Ciamis and Tasikmalaya City. On average, the degree of fiscal decentralization of districts or cities in West Java still lacking, meaning that the portion of PAD or local revenue to total regional revenue has only reached 10 to 20%, which is it is low, especially areas closer to the capital city, a better ratio. The second analysis showed that the average regional independence ratio for 2015 to 2019 fluctuates, but in terms of category, there was a change from low to moderate and from consultative to participatory. Especially, it can see that regional independence in the eastern and southern part of West Java province is relative underage, often with the 5-year average falling into the very low category of the portion of PAD or regional source revenue to that balance fund still at 25%. Okay, after examining their material, we know that the increase in PAD indicators and improvement in fiscal performance, but it cannot yet be the main source of regional funding. Local government still dependent on DAU and other transfer from the central government. A region close to economic centers, such as the areas around Bandung and Bekasi, have greater independence than the southern and eastern regions of West Java. My suggestion is that local government needs to increase their fiscal capitalization of stimul tax and leave innovative source of local revenue, such as developing regional enterprise and using transfer fund more effectively and productively. These efforts are expensed to strengthen regional independence so that the goal of autonomy can be active. That is all I want to say. Thank you for your attention, everyone. I hope that what I have said and important or acknowledge more or less. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.